My content is for 13 and upward, don't collect the product. Hey everyone, this video is for adult collectors of the product, people who are into competitive or go to events or whatever and are wondering. I had a previous video going over the first batch of the Metal Fight remakes. We are now at the second batch of the Metal Fight remakes. And we're going to go over them. Yeah, I have to say that disclaimer just because how YouTube is now. But yeah, there's a few factors we have to, understand, tips, whatever, to maybe bump things up than other ones. So we'll get started with Ray, but I'll mention that obviously there are other performance tips that probably could help them and maybe rank them slightly higher, but try to do the best I can. So obviously same spin stamina to start us off. Both zero cross extend plus. The issue with Ray and really Metal Fight remakes in general is that burst resistance, no good. So what that does is now you're very restricted on what drivers you can use. So that was just one round because that's all you need to really show. I'll show it against lefts, which I don't know if it can equalize or if I have to switch the tip. Now, what's also true, okay, now that I think about it, is that you can customize them with the clear wheel thing. So that does slightly change up things, but also the issue is not even that, is that even if, let's say, one of them does have pretty good stamina, well, you're kind of dead because the teeth vary on them, so it makes it even harder to do this. So generally, what I'm focusing on is just going to be, consistency on what it can do. And I will avoid anything with like the clear wheel stuff. It is 100% a factor, just I don't want to go through the process of it. We could. What would I even use here? I think I would use Pegasus, wouldn't I? Okay, now it's rape. I think Pegasus would work here, wouldn't it? None of them have good teeth, so this makes it really hard. Okay, so now we can continue. We're going to do rape Pegasus. Zero cross zone dash plus Z. Again, Salamander the same. I think anyways, most of these could boil down to probably an equalizer. But, not really much to work with now, is it? Honestly, the more I think about this, yeah, this is pointless. Well, I'll put Kerbex on this one. I'm just going to go try attack now. This is probably going to get a little low. At least when you put on this kind of is. But some of these have like this weird gap on them that I do not like. So I'm not really a fan. Burst and die. Sick. I don't think the Kerbex teeth are that. Yeah, I was trying to see if I got a slow-mo burst on the thing. Okay, well, we're gonna try attack. Oh wait. Right, extend plus. We're gonna try. Oh, I got uppered. Okay, yeah. I'm putting back Striker or Unicorn or whatever on the thing. Oh, yeah, either way. Oh, forget it then. I mean, I guess we gotta see it burst and die before I move on. I'm gonna try Ray like this. I thought maybe like an equalizer, but even then, that's kind of just like, eh. It's not gonna do anything. Died. Why is it uppering itself? That's so annoying. Where do I even put Ray? Where do I even put Ray? I don't even know where I could put Ray right now. Ray's not good. Wow. I'm trying to really think, like, what could you even use Ray for? It's pretty low, I would say. It's pretty low, because I guess maybe if you could, even if you could dash stuff, it's not really that much. Ray, probably like, I don't know, CD? Nah, maybe. Oh yeah, this also goes without saying, but Galaxy is worse than Storm. So it lives up to the previous generation when Galaxy was terrible. But I'm thinking maybe Stamina, but I don't even think Stamina works. It's actually funny because I think some of these are a lot faster than others just to figure this out. Maybe Stamina? Okay, okay. If it bursts, that's not good. I lost a lot of clicks there before. Oh no, it was a fluke. It was a fluke. It was a fluke. Does it destabilize Hercules, maybe? Come on. Okay, let me double check. Okay, I kind of tuned it, so I'm just going to be sure. It got to the middle for clicks. Yeah, kind of like before. I don't know, opposite spin, I guess we'll try to see real quick. Yeah, this one is like the fast stuff because... No, not like that. You'll probably still burst either way, but... Yeah. Stamina. So this is worse than Storm. I think it still works for attack, it's not a very high standard to have. With this stuff. Yeah, so this is kind of what Storm does, except what's worse about it is that it has, I would say, worse teeth than Storm. And it doesn't hit as good as Storm does, so... That's already like 2 L's right there. So like neither of them are really that good at attack, to be honest. But you know, you got to work with what you can get. So if, for an example, if I can do this against Salamander, that's cool. But obviously, Hercules, that's going to be a little bit tougher. But you can get these things to work. I would probably say Galaxy's like. It's like right on the same tier as something wherever you would put Storm, but it's not really any value there. Yeah, I can do it. I think this was the same also with a lot of other combinations to do it against Hercules, but that's just how Hercules is when you can try to hit it. Alright, well, if it does this again, that means it gets to go to Phoenix, so... yeah. I think Storm was kind of the same, where you can push it out. Not that one. Yeah, some of these copies, you gotta, like, hard launch. No, I can't really budget. If there are times... if I do this against this... like, Hercules just has massive stamina, right? And I'll hold out. Even if I try... I'm gonna try to really hard launch it to get this thing rolling. Because of how the shape is, right? Now the expand combination, you know, we did see it burst it, but for what should typically happen in a battle when you use this, like Herc. So it still can do it. It still can do that push. I would probably just say, also probably B, I guess. It's not too bad where it'd be C. Kind of, they should have done the boost disc as a frame, by the way. They should have. Like, resistance is terrible. I don't think Rock Leone's here, but also it's like... not that good. So for an example for Kerbex, because I'm not gonna... I could do it. If you want to. Right. You could try it for equalizer stuff against maybe lefts, but... okay, we'll try expand and... oh, maybe attack. Maybe attack. That's actually... okay. Now, what's with this? Oh, it's the dust, that's why. Okay, hold on. I was hoping I'd do some hits. Yeah, this thing's a little weird how it does stuff. Yeah, I think for attack, this is where you'd probably try to get this thing to work. Try it again. I'm gonna try the quick dash on this just because I think Extreme Dash doesn't want to be useful for anything. Bro, what do you even use it for? Oh, it's so bad. Yeah, well, I'm not... maybe a seam spin or something? Oh, okay, there you go, there you go, there you go. So that's why. Oh, okay, okay. So it was attack, it was attack. That is just accent plus ping set. Okay. So then how does it do against, like, Hercules for attack? Maybe it does well? Man. It's, like, really awkward. That's kind of like meh, attack. So Hades for attack. I'd probably use that over Galaxy, honestly. Okay, who is next on the list? We have 2 left. Gravity and Meteor Drago. Let's do Meteor first. Oh, this is gonna be funny. I can't, I'm kind of gassed. Hold on. You wanna know why? It's because it has, honestly, terrible teeth. Terrible, terrible teeth. So for this, okay, this is how bad it is, watch. It bursts so easy to other lefts. Unless it bursts that one, that'd be funny, but no, it should burst right now. Terrible. Not even just, no, just terrible. Meteor is just the worst lightning, if you're wondering. You know, how does it do whatever, so... For example, if I do like 10 expand jolt or whatever, jolt dash, it still does it, right? It still, that will do the job. I'm gonna see if it does a late KO thing. I don't think it does. No, it does not. Oh yeah, could have. The issue with Jolt Dash too is just that Jolt Dash low in it. It's like really annoying to get that flower that you want. So obviously for a round like that, I could probably do it, but trying to think, what could be like a 00 bump, I guess? Oh no. Teeth me no likey. I think more or less you should be able to KO with, no, I mean you will KO with this thing. Oh, but burst resistance really is knocking this thing down, huh? Let's see if it does it again at the end. It can't do it, I'm trying to experiment right now on the burst resistance. Maybe the other one, because of how much it was bursting before. I don't know. No, not like that. Ugh. I'll go back to this, but I'm like... I mean, no, it should work. But the one thing I don't like is that resistance. It can kind of work, but like, it definitely does need... I don't know, something else going for it. Okay, for this one... equalization, if you're wondering, yeah, it does it. So if I just do zone dash, it'll do it. So if you want to use it as like an equalizer, it is a good equalizer, but it does require dash for literally anything, because the teeth on it are horrid. They're horrid, like... That's why it's so difficult with Meteor, because with Meteor, you have to think, well, resistance and also what results do you get. So for an example, for Meteor here, Meteor will probably equalize well enough against anything it's up against. Okay? But, you know, in that case, it's like, well, damn, I don't have much use out of Meteor, and you're absolutely right. Meteor was done dirty. I'm even trying to think, even if Meteor had, like, the same teeth as the original. Even if Meteor Drago had like the same teeth as lightning. A bounce tune. Let me see. Less shaky or more? Even if it had the same teeth as lightning for Meteor, it would probably still just get used. Maybe just slightly better stamina usage. Yeah, because like for me personally, I really just don't like it. I mean, lefts, you will be able to do it, but it's kind of annoying, and I would just use lightning over that, but, you know, I guess for your options, yeah, this will just go between the thing, but I actually have done a separate session equalizing on the thing, so, yeah. Okay, now Perseus is where we're ending off, because this is where it gets super interesting, because it's a dual spin. It's right spin right now. Stamina, don't use it for stamina, but I do have to go and show it for stamina. It should be quick because of the teeth. Yeah. Opposite spin is also not that bad. Unlike Zone Dash C or something. Yeah, Perseus also was the one where I would say you should be using this thing on like a dash driver, but like Perseus is like this, it's the same as lightning in the vein, what it can get used for. Actually, because I did that, I don't really even have to show Salamander because, yeah. So for this one, actually, we're going to switch this into counter mode because, or the other, I'm just going to call it counter mode. Reason why is because good attacker. Now, some setup maybe like this can work, I would say. Kind of in the same vein for Lightning Eldrago, too. Just a good attacker. What's good about it, too, is the dual spin. I launch like this just because I'm trying to see if it does a late KO thing. But Perseus has definitely a lot of viability. I actually do wish Perseus was done a little bit better. Because Perseus was like a big deal because it was like dual spin and gave it like meh teeth. Okay, there's no late KO there. Nope, I'm not using Jolt for this. We're going back in the quick dash. I can also try Extreme, but... Oh no, there you go. Yeah. Alright, now I have to give this same setup to Hercules just to show. I think this is a little bit easier on a setup like... those clicks, kind of a... okay, it's a flower. I thought it would move in the way and I would hit it and I would have bonked it. Yeah, it was like that, but not... You see what I mean? Like, that's what I was trying to do. It's not going to do it there. Okay, this time... Flower. I think it is technically easier than Lightning because of the setup, but if you like move it like to the next thing with GP stuff, Lightning is definitely better. Yeah. So, well, actually, if in the context of here, I think Gravity is better. In the context of, let's say, GT, when you allow different stuff, Lightning definitely just whoosh, to Perseus. But Perseus is still, like, Perseus is like right, it's right next to Lightning. You know what I mean? Like, it's chilling with Lightning, basically. It's chilling with Lightning. So now, we have to flip the spin. They're really bad. So the only good ones are like, I guess Meteor if you wanted to do for left spin against left spin. And then after it would be like opposite spin equalization, which for that one it goes either way, but yeah, Meteor does work. Same with Perseus, but Perseus I don't even want to... I don't want to bother because, like, it can work, but really it should just be for attack. what's going on with this? This is dust. I keep forgetting the dust, that's why. Yeah, it's behaving weird. I think it's like hugging the ridge a lot. Oh, there you go. Yeah, that was weird. Doesn't do anything there. One more. This is with right spin. So you can just see for an example those hits. I'm not liking this quick dash right now. I don't know what it's doing. I'm gonna see if this works now. Right spin, it's a little annoying, huh? Yeah, there you go, there you go. Yeah, I was like, am I struggling right now? I did not angle it there. I am struggling a little bit, but... Ugh. Oh! Nope. Let's go. Hold on. Only dubs. Only dubs. That's good enough for me. That's good enough for me. Alrighty. Best. You. Goes like this. And this concludes the Metal Fight remix. They should have done tempo or something. That would have been cool. I'm done. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. So they're pretty high up. Obviously, too, when you move up, Perseus and Lightning just get better. The other stuff becomes meh. Feels like meh. So that'll be it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day and bye.